I don't want to do what I have to do today. Sometimes I have a hard time when things don't go according to plan, and my whole family's here, which was not the plan, but it's going to be fine. I need to kind of clean up their room a little bit. So I'm going to be reorganizing a bunch of different spaces in the house today. We're going to start today in the kids' closet. And right now, I want to rearrange the shelving that we have in our closet so that Theo can reach his clothes, but also so that he can't reach Peyton's. So we'll see if I can accomplish that today. Come over here, stand. Can you? No, you're not tall enough for that. Okay, let's see. Okay, so my original plan was to bring down this bottom shelf and put Theo's stuff on there and then have the next shelf up be Peyton's stuff. But she is not tall enough. Couple other options. Theo's stuff could go on the floor and then her stuff stays on this shelf. Or we put both of their stuff on here and I kind of reorg what we got going on here a little bit. I'm gonna workshop probably both options and see what I land on. Peyton also has a few dresses that get hung, so I do need a bar. Kind of regretting having taken out the higher shelf and bar already. All right, we'll keep working on this. It's just a lot of, I don't know, trying different things out until you find what works. You can't reach? Yeah, it's a little bit high. Do you want me to move it down?
Yes.
Okay.
I can get my clothes and my hat.
Okay.
Come back in and see Mama. All right, Theo.
All right. Hi.
Ha.
High five. Thank
All right.
you. It should go.
Where'd it go?
You come stand next to it and show me. Okay. Can
Theo.
you reach the back of this shelf?
Yeah. Where's your stuff?
Hi.
I'm going to put your box right here. Can you reach that? Yes, you can, and I don't think Theo can reach it. So this shelf is just for special things for Peyton that you don't want Theo to have. I'm going to do
I
what?
don't think this.
Okay. Let's see. So we have some extra bins. Let's do this small one for your hair stuff.
This
Okay.
was my
That
little
fits.
baby's own little crib. And my little baby.
Hang on, sweetie. I got to talk to my friends real quick. I think I've been able to rearrange the closet into what we need it to be. We have one shelf now where Peyton is able to keep things that she wants to keep safe from Theo. Her little jewelry box from her uncle, as well as her paper dolls. So a spot for each of those things. Theo's diapers and wipes and such that we're using day to day are available right here on this shelf. Then down here on the bottom shelf, the kids are now sharing that shelf as well as the floor for all of their clothes. I think this will be good for our next phase, the next phase of this closet. And we can move on to probably the kitchen.
Mary.
And is she Laura dress and then we put Mary in her purple dress?
Go and get her. Go get you.
So I bake almost every day. Almost. And honestly, I need a bigger cabinet for my baking stuff. I can get by, but it's kind of annoying and a lot of shifting things around. So my options are these two cabinets that are like above my dishwasher, and really like I pull everything out and I typically bake on this surface. So like proximity wise, that would be nice. The other option is our pantry. We do have room in there, but then every time I'm baking, I have to go to the pantry over there and bring it all the way over here. And I find that usually when I make big changes in my kitchen, I don't like them at first, mostly because I can't remember where anything is and I'm always going in the wrong direction, but I'm gonna make the changes and then I'll try to live with it for a little bit and we will see. I also got some new organizers for organizing our tea. Then I think I'm going to repurpose the Lazy Susans that our tea and coffee stuff is currently in for our oils and vinegars.
What are you doing today?
I am reorganizing our kitchen a little bit.
I want to have peanut butter with jelly.
Oh, there's Daddy and Theo. There they go. You want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? Yeah, I can make you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. That's fine. Now that I've slimmed down our toy rotation closet like to this amount, it's finally easy to maintain. I really am more and more coming to grips with how far I have to go in order to get our home to something that's reasonable to manage and expect myself to manage. Next week I'll give you an overview of how we manage or organize toys, but today I wanted to just add labels to these bins here, add in some book organization, and I don't know, we'll see if there's anything else that I decide to focus on.
Do something.
I put a bunch of toys in rotation bins in the basement. Things like puzzles and hand-eye coordination stuff that Theo wasn't ready for yet. So I'm putting them in these black bins. And I'll talk more about that next week. All right, so I finished my reorganizing projects. We will see how the baking cabinet goes. I don't feel 100% confident. We still need to do some labeling on our
Yes,
stuff.
we do.
Yeah.
We need to do some labeling.
Next week, I'll give an overview of how we're actually doing the toy organization, but it's working. I'm feeling good about it. All right.
What
So we're going to go. Peyton needs some attention.
and I didn't even get attention.
Yeah. She's ready to have her mom back. She doesn't want to share me with my YouTube friends anymore.
Till next time.
Until next time. You made a little tray of art supplies. That's kind of fun.